guys, I'm back with a new video. We're gonna be doing a makeup look today. I have not touched any of this makeup since October, and yeah, the look that I was supposed to be doing today was supposed to be a reindeer, but I procrastinated and did not buy any antlers. I mean, I could literally go to Walmart or Target right now and buy some antlers, but they're really cheap looking generic store-bought antlers that you would put on a child's head, and I'm not about it. I should have bought them when I saw them in the Halloween stores when I had the chance, and I was like, no, I got time, and then all the Halloween stores closed, and I found some online. I just never bothered to order any of them, so it's my fault. So we'll be a reindeer next year. I'm really sad because I put all of my planning in my head into that one look, and so I had this other idea that I was gonna make myself into an elf, but that requires me to have ears to be an elf, and I was gonna make some ears, which I've never done before, but I've watched many tutorials on how to do so, and I really just honestly don't have the patience to do that right now, so no elf. And so I was walking around Michael's and I found this wreath thing, whatever, the pine tree things, what, I don't know, and I was like, oh, I can use that for something. I don't know what we're doing. I guess we're just doing a glam holiday makeup look with the holiday prop, and yeah. Well, I don't even have a plan. So let's just hop into the rest of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy whatever the hell I come up with. First off, before we get started with anything for real, I'm about to throw on this wig because what I'm about to do, I don't really want my actual hair for. It was causing problems for me earlier, so wig it is. And I honestly don't know how any of this is gonna turn out. I'm winging it. Totally winging it. And the funny thing about this video as well is that my family does not celebrate Christmas anymore. So it's a long story that I don't really wish to repeat or tell in general, for that matter, but long story short, we don't celebrate Christmas anymore. So of course my natural instinct is just to rebel against everything and be festive as fuck. But yeah, I'm being sneaky and still doing the holiday stuff, but you know, okay. Yes, I have Starbucks. Leave me alone. Okay. I hope you guys know that this wig actually kind of sucks, but I keep wearing it because I don't really have that many to choose from. I found this local wig store. This is all going to be cut out of the video. This is all going to be cut out of the video. Y'all are not going to be listening to this anyway. This is about to be a voiceover. How do you like my lights, by the way? I tried to make it more festive because I don't have any backgrounds yet to throw into the mix. I'm gonna buy some from Walmart because apparently Walmart's doing great things, providing us with great shit. So first I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Alright, so as you're watching me do my eyebrows, let me just fast forward and get to the other stuff that I'm gonna do right after this. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, I'm gonna prime my face, and then I'm gonna put on that foundation, my concealer, which I'm currently using to fix my brows right now. I would usually be using Tarte Shape Tape, but I ran out and I haven't made it out to Ulta to buy some more yet, so I'm using the True Match by Maybelline. I think it's by Maybelline. I don't know what brand it is, but it's True Match that I'm using. And then, yeah. Alright, so here we are again. Once again, I'm using the electric palette as per usual. So I'm going in with the green shades, Freak and Fringe, and I'm alternating between the two of those, and I'm only using them on my brow bone and the outer corners. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking some of my concealer and I'm cutting my crease. I have hooded eyes, so I usually just do this trick that I learned from Nicole Guerrero, and it helps a lot. And then right after, I'm just going over that concealer with my silver shade from the electric palette called Revolt. I'm just packing that all over the lid. And as you can see, we've already gone and dipped our brush into some loose glitter. So what you're going to do is just dip that silver glitter right over top of the silver shade Revolt and go ham. Now if you're brave enough like I am to put loose glitter on your eyelids, go nuts. Do I recommend it? No, never. It's dangerous. You can get in your eye, you can cut your eyeball. I imagine it feels like a dagger stabbing your eye. So yeah, do it at your own risk, but don't do it. Do not do it. Now for this part, I'm just applying some highlighter, which I actually hate. I don't like highlighter. When I do wear it, I actually just put it on and then I wipe a little bit of the top layer off. But this time I'm applying way more than I usually would, because why not? It's the holidays and we're wearing glitter. Why not sparkle all over? So this is the completed look. I switched my sweater. You saw obviously towards the beginning of this video. I wasn't feeling the red sweater at all. I was realizing the further I went into this that the less it would go together with what I was doing. I don't own red eyeshadow, and there's no point in me doing like wearing a red sweater if it's just gonna clash with what I'm doing on my face. You know what I mean? But the last step I have for this look is to add this. This is what I got from Michael's. It said on the tag that it's like a candle. It's one of those little tiny little wreaths that you sit your candles in the center of. And I tried to put it on my head in the store and it was way too small. But I found out that it actually opens. But to keep it on my head, I'm going to attempt to tie it around my head like a headband, because I tried to put it in my head before and there were many problems. So here goes. Last try officially with everything put together. I'm just gonna... okay. Attempt 1 failed. We can do it like that. For the love of God, just stay on my head. That's all I ask. Yes! Yes! This was unintentional, that my eye, like I wanted to do a red eye, but I don't have red eyeshadow. So I already knew that I was going to do a green eye and then silver eyeshadow. And I own like a shit ton of glitter. But I despise glitter, but I do it. Green and silver glitter eyeshadow. It was complete coincidence that this just happened to have silver glitter in it as well. So it all works, it's coherent, it goes together, it matches. But that's the look. I'm all done. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to recreate my look, you can tag me on Instagram. I'm LaLaTricia, LaLaTrici 4, and go ahead, tag me and I want to see what you do. Not that I'm even a big deal enough for you to even want to tag me to show me, but I'm interested, I'm curious. I want to see people do stuff because I like looking at that stuff. Obviously, I've never done a regular makeup look before on camera. I'm more about doing, like, you know, the fun stuff that you do all through October for Halloween with special effects makeup and all that. Me doing regular makeup is kind of boring in my opinion, but I added my own element to it. I'm willing to put things together to get some fun out of it, you know. But yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, get off my channel. If you'd like to see what I upload in the future, make sure to hit the bell for more notifications to know when I upload. I upload every week. And you guys have a good day and happy holidays. Merry Christmas, happy Hanukkah, Merry Kwanzaa. I don't know. Merry Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. All right. Bye. Peace. See you next time. Bye. I got free Starbucks today and I'm very happy about it. Yes. Thank you, Poshmark.